Mek Anansi Liv from Ostap. Broadcast Jamaican did the translation and Shan read it.
Mek Anansi Liv pan Ostap. Si wan tuori, but make you find Anansi pan Ostap. Brother Anansi went well hungry one day when time him see Brother Tiger at the riverside. Brother Tiger, say Brother Anansi, the day nice, make we take a swim. Brother Tiger tell him yeah, because the place still well at. General Anansi said to Brother Tiger, for swimming at the river, you have to take off your fat. Brother Tiger say, you have to take off fear too. No, sir. You take out fear first, and then me take out for me. Brother Tiger take out for him quick and put it on the riverbank. Tiger when I enjoy the little swim so much, him not even see when Anansi take up in fat and near me. Anansi said to himself, if Tiger ever find out what me do, he might go vex with me. Anansi catch him afraid and run away. Him go big monkey town for teach them the song ya. Yesterday them time ya me nyam Tiger fat. Anansi used to talk funny you know. So him couldn't say yesterday so good. But them never like the song none tall in a big monkey town. So them run away Anansi. Them say move from here so with your full song or we beat you. So Anansi go little monkey town and teach them the song till them know it by heart. Him left them a sing and run go back in him yard and see Tiger wait pan him at the front door. Brother Anansi, me can't find me fat. Anansi say, aha, Brother Tiger, me just hear little monkey town a sing. Yesterday them time ya me name Tiger fat. When Brother Tiger follow Anansi go a little monkey town, him hear them a sing bout all them name Tiger fat. You can't imagine the look on Tiger face. Him start roar and growl till one little monkey say, what you a do? Anansi teach you the song. But Tiger go on roar and growl. Well, the little monkey send one message go big monkey town. If you tell them what go on. Before you could have said fair, them come over and run Anansi out of the town. Tiger take it to the bush and Anansi run go up a Ostap. And from that day till today, Tiger live in a woodland and Anansi live pan Ostap. Jack Mandora, me not choose none.
Broadcast Jamaican translate this from a Fui heritage, who change up the tuori from the Jamaican song and story where Walter Jekyll collect and put together. That's it from Broadcast Jamaican.